Hello, everyone. Now I'm going to show you the basics of using GitHub. What is GitHub? It's a system of version control. Also, you can use it as a place where you can publish your web pages or any other projects. Okay, let's just start from any random website. Another website, web page, yes. I'm creating a folder and put it into Visual Studio Code here. Okay, let me just create index HTML, example, hello, h1, hello world. Then I am creating styles. Plug the styles to our HTML file /style CSS. And I am going to add some styles. For example, it's color red. Why not? Well, okay, let's take a look at the result. Okay, hello world. Now, how can we publish our web page? Look, first, we need to install the GitHub locally. You can follow the link git-scm.com and then press here, download for Windows or for Mac or for any other device. Okay, download for Windows. Please take into consideration 32-bit or 64. For example, okay, it's 64-bit. I'm going to save it on my desktop. Then you should install it. Yep. Only new options, so maybe next. Okay, next. Then you can use this. Next. I already had my Git installed locally, so you can just press next, 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 and that's all. Cancel. Okay. Then also it allows us to use Git Terminal. Look, for example, I have my folder, and right now I can create. I can use a Git Terminal here. I'm going to show you why and the way we should use it. Look, right now, after you install these Git distribute locally, you should sign up to these website, github.com. I already signed up and signed in using my profile. So, and now after you sign in, you can create new repository. In other words, it's a project. Look, you press new. Yes, we are on our main page. You press new. Then you can set name of your repository, the name of your project. Look, for example, new. Yeah, that's available. Then you can put some description. When you use free version, it's only public option is available. Then you should not choose any of these variants as for now. Then you just you just set name and press create repository. Okay, creating. So here we are. Then you see the instructions of how to push your web page into GitHub. So we have already created our web page with words hello world. Then what should I do next? Inside of our folder with our files, I press with my right mouse button and choose git bash here. Then, okay, you can see the address. It's desktop folder. Yes, it's desktop folder. Okay, then I should copy to our clipboard this first step. It's git init. And then I paste it here using combination shift plus insert. It's 0 on our numpad. It's control V doesn't work here. It should be shift plus insert. Okay, enter. Yeah. Initialize empty git repository here. Yes. Okay. Then you can see that an empty invisible folder has appeared here. Then we skip these step, and we should just write git add space dot. It means that you put all of your files, I mean these files, index and style. Oh, also you can see that here is some sign. Without initiated git, we cannot see them. Yes. So then we press git. Then we write git add space dot. It means that you put all of your files into exchanging buffer into a clipboard. Yes, enter. Okay, then you should copy these and put it here. It means git commit is safe into the clipboard. These comment, first commit. It's really cool to look. You can use these writing git commit, and that's all. But it's really cool to, it means message, to command all of your commits. Now, for example, main, for example, header ready or main section ready. But it's just first. Okay, then we press enter again. Okay, you can see that 2 files changed. 1 and 2. And then we skip these step. We do not change our branch. We just copy these line and put it here. Remote add. It when you make your first commit, your first push, you should write these line here. Okay, and then we copy this and paste it here. But please pay attention. I am removing main, and I should use these name of our current branch, master. Here we could change our branch, but as for now, on our first steps of mastering GitHub, we can push all of our files directly into master branch. I'm just pressing master, and I'm just pressing enter. Okay, waiting for it. Okay, branch master set up to track remote branch master from origin. And then we can go to our repository. Yes, new. I can return to my main page, and I can see here my new repository that I have just created. I can follow this and look. First tab, it's code. Yes, I can see all of my files here. Code, style CSS, yes. the same. Then how can I go to my web page here? I follow this tab, settings, then I am pressing pages, and then I should change it to master, from none to master. Okay, save. And now your site is ready to be published. Sometimes you will have to wait for a few minutes maybe until it's being published. For example, if I follow here, I see nothing. But if I trying to refresh my page, it's still nothing here, I suppose. But okay, let's do it again. No, and if I write here index.html, yes, that's it, index.html, and that's the point. Okay, let's just refresh. Oh yeah, I can. No, I can follow it now, but I should add index.html. So here is our web page ready to be shown. And another moment, for example, if I change something, why not? If I modify my web page, for example, I'm going to add a paragraph with a random text. And also I'm going to change my styles, for example, for paragraph color, it's aqua, okay? Yeah, oh, no, I hardly see it. Oh, let it be so. Yeah, it's our local live server, yes? Okay, you can see that our files are have been changed. Then what should I do to add all of these changes to our repository? I should repeat these steps. First, it's git add space dot. Let's put our files right to the clipboard. Then I should write git commit. And also, as I already told you, that it's cool to add comments. It's a message, yes? For example, the second commit. Okay, and then I should just write git push, and that's all. Let's take a look at our repository. Let's go here, code. Let me just refresh it, just to make sure. And as you can see that this is the last modify I added. It's 18 seconds ago. Yes, if I follow to right into our index.html, you can see it has been changed. And then if I follow to our settings, then pages, and if I follow these web page, okay, I should just I think I should just plus control plus F5 just to clean the cache. Okay, here's our modified web page. Cool. You can just send this link to your friend or someone else who you want to show this file, your website, your published website. And then let me show you one more thing. How can we delete? How can we remove our project, our repository? We should follow, I suppose, options, settings options, and I scroll down, and you see danger zone, yes? Delete this repository. You press here, delete this repository, and please pay attention, unexpected bad things will happen if you do not read this. This action cannot be undone. So to remove our project, we should type here what? Please type Dmitry Kudlovich new to confirm. I can just copy it and paste it here, and then I should press this button, and that's all. Our repository is removed. So I hope my recommendations, my video is clear, and also you can ask me some questions if you need some assistance. Okay, thank you for attention. Bye.